Hello friends, today's tutorial will cover how to copy a folder and subfolders using Power Automate. So that means we will cover copy a SharePoint document library folder as well as a subfolders using from one location to another location using Power Automate flow. So we are going to create a flow like this where we will create a button flow that will trigger manually. That means when we will click on the trigger, it will trigger the flow. So there is no automated process, and in that folder we have added a action. That means it will copy the folder from current site address to destination site address as well as the folder. So to create this type of flow, the following steps are, let's follow the step-by-step guide to create this flow. So here I just log in my user ID, log in my Microsoft Office 365 tenant address with the office365.com. So and go to that app launcher, and here we can find all the application that integrated with the Microsoft. And to create the flow, we will open that Power Automate. So click on the ellipses and then we can find the open in new tab. So click on this and it will open the new tab. As well as we have opened the SharePoint also to SharePoint. Inside the SharePoint, I have a document library that name files. And under that document library name file storage, inside that document library file storage I have a folder that is files, and under that files I have two subfolders, that Power Automate and the projects. So here we will do the copy that files include copy that files folder and the subfolders to this location, from source location to the destination location. Let's see how to work with this. So let's move to the Power Automate, then click on the create, and then as we will create a cloud instant flow or a button flow, click on the instant cloud flow. Here we will give the flow name that copy folder and subfolder, and click select the trigger and click on create. And as we can see here, it will trigger. Now the trigger is added to the flow, and click on the new step and add in a new action, that is copy folder. So that we using that action we can copy the folder from source location to destination location, and select the copy folder action under the SharePoint connection and insert the current site address, that is my site address, the SharePoint site address that is on my name, and folder to copy. So that means we will insert the source folder. So click on the folder and the folder path, we will insert the folder path. So that is inside the file storage we will give that files. So here this one, the file storage, inside the file storage we will find the files, and then give the destination site address. So the destination site address is in my name also, my SharePoint size, the same site address, but the destination folder different one, that is the copied files. But the sites, both the current site address, destination site address are same, but the destination folder, document library, and both the library are different. So here we will the copied files. Here we were just given our the destination folder address, and if that folder is already there, then it will copy with a name. If we will choose this, fail this action, then it will, if the folder is already there, then it will fail that action. Otherwise if you will choose this option, replace option, then it will replace it. So here we have just choose the copy with a new name and click on save, and if there is no error, then it will come with a green tick. Yeah, and it will also recommend or to test this flow. So click on test and test manually. So it will check our connection, then click on continue, and then the run flow, and click on done. And within few seconds it will copy that folder as well as the subfolders from the source location to destination location. We can see it will take 8 seconds only, and within the 8 seconds it will copy that folders or all the folders. So let's check. Yeah, this one is my destination folder, so let's refresh it, and yes, Now the folder is already there, and let's see whether subfolders are there or not. So click on the files, and here, and also the files are also there. We can find the files inside the subfolders. So this is how we can copy a folder as well as the subfolders from one location to another location within the SharePoint document library using Power Automate flow. So guys, this is what can copy a SharePoint folder. And if you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and it will notify you whenever we will upload in new videos. And also you can get more free videos tutorial on SharePoint, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Python, machine learning and many more. If you have any queries, please give your comment and questions me. I will definitely answer you. You can get our tutorial notes also and articles from the description. Thank you for your time. Thank you guys.